Hi everyone and welcome to Roborabbit's Geek Life. This video is about a project that I'd like to do together later on, and I've done a prototype of the object I'd like to make, and I'd just like to show you how the development is going. The project itself is about a capacitive touch lamp, and I'm basing it on the Circuit Playground Express board from Adafruit. It's a board with a lot of different inputs and outputs and sensors and things, and these NeoPixel LED lights on it. It's a good way to get started with programming. In the project itself, I'll be using these capacitive touch sensors, which are around the perimeter of the board, these gold semicircular pads. I'll be using those to input red, green, and blue values, increase red and green and blue, and the NeoPixel lights will change color accordingly. I hope you find this interesting, and I hope you'll join me in the upcoming videos.